Hello and welcome to a demonstration on how to set up Jalbums in server mode, so it automatically captures the images and processes them to be viewed on your viewing stations. So I've got a Canon 40D set up here with the EOS capture software. You can use any camera, any capture software you want, as long as it can save to a specific folder, it doesn't matter. So we're going to go to my settings here, and I'm going to choose a folder which I've already put in as my input folder within my pictures Jalbum input. So that's that set. So just minimize that. One quick thing as well on the capturing software, more to do with the camera settings. If your camera has an auto power off, you need to turn that off. Otherwise, that every minute what the settings are, your camera turns off, and the capturing software as well will then turn off as well. So you need to turn your power settings, your auto power settings, save settings off in your camera. Okay, so let's go ahead now and do some of the settings within Jalbums. Open up the settings in Jalbums and go to your general tab. Your image directory is basically your input folder. So let's just go to that. This is where we saved your settings within your capturing software as your input, and also your output folder. It needs to be a different folder to your input folder, otherwise it causes an infinity loop. So we just select output folder. Your image ordering, we'll do it by name and reverse order. So the last picture you take is the first to be processed, and it's also the first image as well when your clients go to any viewing stations. So that's the settings there done. We're now going to go to Tools, go to Preferences. There's a little tick box here that says Close Progress Dialogues when done. That needs to be ticked on, so then when Jalbums processes an image, it automatically closes the progress box. So we're going to say OK on that. So that's pretty much it really now. We're just going to run this now in server mode. So we go to Tools, External Tools, Server Mode. Jalbums gives you a bit more information about the settings within server mode, so we're just going to say OK on that. And up comes now a little box that says it's monitoring the directory of the input folder. Now what we're going to do first of all is you've got two settings down here. Make album and changes. Your first image that you need to process, so I'm just going to take a picture here, needs to be as make album, so that it creates all the necessary files, all the documents for you, so then it's all processed. Now all subsequent images need to be done as changes. So when you take a new picture, it doesn't have to create the whole file structure again, it just processes that last image for you. So if I now go to preview, and then it looks at the album that we just created. This is just our development skin, so the ultimate skin, it looks nothing like this. And here's the two images that we've just taken. Now everything is automated here, so if I take several more pictures, you can see now Jalbums is doing its stuff. And if I now go back to my gallery, go back to my show albums, click in, it's automatically brought in the images for me. Now this is my where the images are being saved to. So if I now just copy that and open it in, say I've got Safari open here. Here's the picture that I've just taken. Let's open Firefox. And if I take a few more pictures, you'll see Jalbums will be doing its stuff. So just taking another two pictures here now. And then I can go to any of my galleries. These could be on multiple viewing stations, as many as you want, and you just need to, let me just bring that back up again, you just need to put that as your location on your viewing stations. That's it, completely automated. After it's been set up, you just take pictures, your clients can go to any number of viewing stations and order your prints. Thank you very much, and good luck.